In this chapter, I'm going to talk about some of the more advanced features of a paragraph and character styles. This really is the power of InDesign when you're dealing with text. Now, in the beginner tutorial, I did give an introduction to these styles. So if you haven't listened to it, hopefully you have the ability to go back and review that, because some of the things that I covered there, I will assume you know. However, I am going to do this one movie, which is just a brief introduction to paragraph and character styles, and it can act as a quick review. So anyway, let's start with this text and we'll create some styles. First thing I'm going to do is duplicate it, Command Option or Control Alt as I'm dragging to duplicate it, and I'm going to bring up my paragraph styles panel. I've got it over here on the side, but if you don't have it available, you can go to the window menu, choose styles, and paragraph styles there. It just pops open, and I'm just going to create a new style here like this. Double click on it, then we double click into the dialog box here, and here's where we can change it. We can give it a name, and we'll just call this one header, and we can change the font. Let's choose something like Helvetica. There we go, Helvetica, and we'll make it 24 points, bold, clicking OK. Now to apply it, we just need the cursor somewhere in here, and we can click in header like that. The other way you can create it is selecting text like this and coming in and changing it. I'm going to go to Cochin here. I'll go bold italic, make it maybe 18 points, and I'll go to the paragraph styles. I'll put a bit of space below it like that, and come back over and change the color to red. Once I've created that, I can just place my cursor anywhere in it. I don't have to have the entire word or paragraph selected. Come down here, click on New Style. It picks up all the attributes here. Double click, and we can call this sub header. Now there are an awful lot of things that you can control in this, and here we'll go to the text. We will again select Cochin. Here it is. Regular is fine here. We'll go back down to 10 points, but we'll change the leading up, and we'll come in and maybe just set an indent here. If we wanted to set a hanging paragraph like that, we can do it. And again, with the text selected, or even one word like this, we can come down, double click on it, and call this text. Clicking OK. So now when we want to apply these styles, we just simply have to go over here, apply header, subheader, text. Everything's applied, and if we need to change it, we just double click on the style, come in here to the tabs, for example, and reset those, and maybe just put another indent across here like this, press and drag across, and because we've got the preview button on, we see what's happening automatically. Want to change the font to Courier, clicking OK, it's all done. So that's the basis. Now we're going to get into some of the more advanced features, because it is really incredibly powerful.